Hi friends, in previous videos Avantika already explained very few words with ends with AT ends with AT in 3-letter words, 4-letter words and 5-letter words. Now I am going to explain with few more words ends with AT. Coming to 3-letter words, AT at ends with AT at. BAT bat, you already know na bat, BAT bat, cricket black like that.
This is a BAT bat.
Yes, cat. Cat means you already know na how it will sound.
Meow, meow,
Meow meow. Very good. Yes. FAT fat.
FAT fat. Ante lavu.
Loudga undatam. So we used to say that na hat. HAT hat.
This is a hat.
This is hat. You already know na HAT hat.
This is a hat.
Yes, very good. And next, mat, MAT mat. You already know na doormat. We used to keep in front of bathroom doors like that. We used to keep na doormat.
Okay.
Rat.
This is a doormat.
Yes. Next is rat. RAT rat means you know na. In Telugu we used to call
This
as
is
a rat. Eluka. Okay, sat. SAT sat means what you will say. Sat, for example, I sat there. Like that you will say na that one. Oat. Oat means like rice, wheat. We like that. Oat also one food item. With oat biscuits, oat meal, oat chapati. Like that they will prepare. No, that's what. Eat. EAT. Eat means what? We'll have na. Yes, eat.
Eat.
We'll have no breakfast, lunch, dinner like that. Now coming to 4-letter words which ends with EAT eat. Okay, if you keep B in front of EAT eat, what will come? We'll call it as BEAT means what? Beat. Beat means come show your hand. I'll beat you like that. If what is this? Beat. Okay. Now I beat you now that one. So FEAT feet in front of eat. If we keep F, what we'll call it as that? Feet, right? If we keep H, what we'll call in front of heat? Heat means what? If you want to drink hot water, what your mother will do? Take a bowl and pour some water, and what she will do? She'll keep it on the stove. Then if you keep it for 2 minutes like that, means water will become boiled. No, then what she did? She heat the eating purpose. Meat, MEAT, meat means what? It's a non-vegetarian. Neat means NEAT, neat means what? Where you'll use the word neat. Keep your books neatly, okay, in order like that. We'll keep your shelf, dress shelf, and you always must be neatly. Yes. Okay. Next, SEAT seat.
Cupboard.
Seat. SEAT seat. Seat means what? If you go to the theater to watch a movie, what they will ask, you will buy the ticket, na? Movie ticket you will buy. Then what they will ask, what is your seat number? Yes, that's my seat number. What you'll say, suppose your seat number is 30. My seat number is 30. Like that you will say, na? Like that we'll say, for my seat number is 30. Like that. This is my seat. Like that you'll say, na? Next, if after yes, if we W, we place W as WEAT. That means in between S and E, if you keep W, what will become? Sweat. Sweat, na? It's very sweating today. Like that we used to say, na? Yes, na or not?
Okay. This is so sweat.
Yeah, it's very sweating. Like that you'll say, na? Sweat means in Telugu what? Chamata. Okay, if you CHEAT, cheat, where you'll use the word cheat. If your brother said that he'll play with you and take a chocolate from you, and he didn't play with you, means then what you'll say? My brother cheat me, that he take a chocolate from me but he didn't play with me. Like that you'll use the word cheat. Wheat, WHEAT, wheat means what? If that in Telugu what we'll call as wheat, Avantika?
This is a wheat.
Wheat in Telugu what you'll say?
Golma ginja.
Very good. So what that means? What wheat means? If you make through the machine, if you make it powder, means what it will become wheat flour. We'll say that wheat flour. With that wheat flour, chapati, puri, like that. Yes, yeah, like that. Your mother will prepare. No, that's what. Now, great. GREAT, great.
Wow, you are
Great.
Wow, you are great.
Very good. Wow, you are great. You done a great job. Like that you will say na. Treat. T-R-E-A-T. Treat. Wow, for that what? Where you will use the word treat?
Today I'm going to treat.
Two ledu. You should not use two. Today I am giving treat. Why you are giving treat today evening at 5 o'clock? You are giving treat, right? Why you are giving treat? Because
Today my birthday.
very good. Because today your birthday, so you are giving treat at evening 5 o'clock, right? Yes. Like that we use the word treat. Hat. H-A-T hat. Few words that ends with hat. What are they? C-H-A-T chart, right? C-H-A-T chart means what? In food items we will say now if you prepare something chart with samosa means like chart means masala items like that. If you mix it the samosa, what we'll say samosa chart like cutlet chart like that. Like that cutlet chart like that we'll say now. And in other way also we'll use the chart. Where we'll use if your mother is charting with her friend, what you'll ask, mom, with whom you are charting, like that you'll ask na. Then what?
Chart.
Then what your mother will say, yes, I'm chatting with my friend. Like means chat means messaging through message. If she is chatting means with her friend means you can say that my mother is chatting with her friend like that. Okay. T-H-E-A-T means what is that? That. Very good. That where you will use the word that if some certain object it is in some distance, at a some distance means what you will say, that is my scale, that is my book, like that you used to say na, that is my pencil, like that means that is
my table.
my table. Very good. Means
That
that
is my chair.
very good, very good. If when you use this one, if you some object which is in a few which is a distance, some distance if it is there and that object is belongs to you means then what you'll say, that is my book, that is my pen, that is my pencil, that is my marker, like that you used to say na. That's what. Okay. W-H-E-A-T. What where you will use the word what, for what purpose you'll use when you'll call what, when you'll use the word what is your name, what is the color of your dress? Green. What is your name? What?
My name is Avantika.
Very good. For that we'll use the word what, W-H-E-A-T. What. Now we already said na, F-A-T fat. If it is F-A-T fat, 3-letter word means you will write F-A-T means fat. If you keep L after F, if you write L, F-L-A-T means what? Flat. Now the flat means where we will use the word flat. What is your flat number?
Okay, it is a flat.
Yes, flat number. What is your flat number? Like that we'll ask now. In apartment same houses are there, many houses are there means what we'll keep for each house we'll use to keep a one number, flat numbers we'll keep now 101, 102, like 105, 405, like that we used to keep now. So you'll say what, then what you'll say if anybody asks what is your flat number, then what you will reply?
My flat number 405.
Yes, very good. Like that you will say that my flat number is 405. Like in flat, any surface is in the flat means we can say that flat. Okay, float. If F-L-O-A-T, float means what? Is something floating on the water. If it means what we'll say, boat. Suppose boat is on the water. What you'll say, boat is floating on the water. Like that we'll use that. Okay. Next, word starts with 4-letter words with the O-A-T vote. B-O-A-T means what? Boat. Boat. You know na? Coat. You know na? One water boats are there na? Coat. Coat when we used to wear in a party, special parties or your party, in that you will wear na coat. That's what your father, brother, like that they will wear na coats. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat means what? How it is sound? Yes, goat. That goat sounds like ma'am. Okay. G-O, go. Go means what? In a traffic, if a red signal is there and that red signal, the red color signal color changes to green color means what the symbol it is saying? Go. Now the vehicles can go. If it is in red color, you have to wait until the color changes to green. Okay. Float. You already know now. FLOAT, float. If you add FL for vote means it we called as float. Throat, THROAT, throat. Where, what is throat?
Throat.
Yes, throat. Yes. Okay. CHEAT, cheat. You already know na meaning of cheat. I already explained here na. Told na cheat and chat. What is the difference between the spelling for the cheat and chat? If you keep after CHEAT. EAT means if you write after CH, EAT means cheat. If you take out that E means what it will come? CHEAT, chart. Same thing if after WH, if you write EAT means wheat. We already explained here na wheat. Wheat means the spelling WHEAT. If you take out the E in WHEAT means what it will come? WHEAT. What? What means what is your name? Like that na. Okay, I hope you all understand all these 3 letters, 4 letters and 5 letter words in an easy way, and you can learn the spellings also in an easy way. So that I hope you all will learn easily and never forget these words spellings. Okay, is it or not, Avantika? Do you felt this easy? It is easy?
Yes.
Yes, you know na all the spellings.
Yeah.
You can say na whatever the spelling I ask, you can say na easily.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. If you like this video, if you understand the video means, please like the video and share to your friends too, and subscribe for my coming next videos. Thank you all.